Hey there! Thank you for watching the video. Well, in a previous video you could see how I made the Tunisian knit stitch, and I just want to show you, if you want to end your crochet work, how you can do it neatly. So you can just cut your yarn here and then you have your end like this, but there will be holes, so that's not that nice looking. So what we're gonna do, we did a knit stitch, so we're gonna put the hooks into the stitch as we would do with when we are going to make more rows. So loop on your hook, skip that first stitch, go to the vertical bar, to the back, and yarn over and pull up a loop. Now yarn over and pull through the 2 loops on your hook. So we're not going to make more loops on our hook, but just we're going to finish every stitch. Okay, so go to the next vertical bar, put your hook in there and pull it to the back, push it to the back, and yarn over. 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 2 loops on your hook. So into the next stitch, drop a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. So this is for the Tunisian knit stitch, but if you're doing another stitch, you just have to make your, well, if you're doing this stitch like a Tunisian stitch like this, then you need to finish your work like that too. But because we did a Tunisian knit stitch, we're gonna make sure we put a hook through the stitch like we would normally make a row of knit stitches. So I hope I'm explaining it well enough. So you can see the top of your work is nice with the V's over here. So just in every stitch you're gonna make a yarn, pull up a loop in every stitch, and then just finish it by yarn over, pulling through the 2 loops on your hook. Here's the last stitch here. And now don't forget to take the end too, so turn your work. Here is the end 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through that stitch, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook. And now you can see you finished your top row with no big holes in the top. So you can see the nice V top over here. So this is what I wanted to show you. Hope you liked it. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications so you get a message when I uploaded a new video. And for now I just wish you happy crocheting. Bye bye.